We know that there are two type of electric forces: attractive if they are lying between the two opposite charge particles, and repulsive if they are lying between the similar charges. Now in today's topic we want to know how much is the force lying between these two charge particles. For that, Charles Coulomb, the name of the scientist, he has taken help of Coulomb's torsion balance that you can look at in the figure. He used this device in which these two A and B are the charged spheres. They are representing the charged particles. Now the force lying between them is depending upon their nature. If they are of opposite nature, the attractive force will be lying between them, and if they are of the similar one, then repulsive force will be lying between two of them. And you can see in this figure a fiber is also attached with the arrangement of these two spheres. The twist in this fiber will be felt as the forces between of two spheres. This twist is directly proportional to the force between them because it is uh, of rotating nature. That is why we are talking about the restoring torque. This restoring torque is basically the force between two of the spheres, and this is proportional to the theta, where theta is the angle of the twist of fiber. This angle can be measured within this device. As you can see, the angle measurement is being also given through the scale in the device. So this is how we can measure the force between the two charged particles. Another is the inverse square law. From these calculations, this square law has been devised. This square law basically tells how much is the electric force lying between the two charged particles.